Well, I think that they drop garbage off all the time. Really? Belongs to some of your tenants, maybe. July 4th, you don't have to do anything today. Screwing around with old vehicles is where it's at. That's part of the fun of it. Old vehicles are good though that way. You don't have to look too far for parts.
Yeah, but you're too old for that fucking monkey then.
Oh, well, yeah.
I don't do anything on that old bomber. Yeah. I don't do anything with that. I don't even change the oil, change the pump. I don't do anything. I just drive.
Yeah, but you're not driving it to enjoy it. You're just driving it to use it.
Well, driving the alleyway and that and everything.
Yeah, you're not taking out any dates in it, that's for sure.
No, I take my new one for that.
Your new car, exactly, the Prius.
That old fucking bomber, that old bomber and bulldozer.
Bulldozer.
That white car, bulldozer.
Yeah. Well, this is sort of a bulldozer too, this bike.
What happened to that fucking old thing? They shit on the floor, pin on the floor, and then she tells me, oh, my daddy, what do you want? What that fucking old bomber? In the junkyard.